Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughtered Food Creations, and I'm going to show you a quick recipe today for herb pilaf. I got rice here, and I use basmati rice, but you can use any kind of rice there. Um, and we're going to get our water boiling here, add some salt to it. And I got about 3 cups of water. So what we're doing with rice pilaf is we are just going to get the rice kind of like we do pasta. We want to get it al dente. So we're not looking to make sticky rice or anything like that. So that's why there's about 3 cups of water. There's definitely more water than rice. We're just using the water to cook the rice itself. So let's get this started and then we'll get our other ingredients going. Okay, our rice is going well here. Um, this takes about like pasta does, about 8 minutes to get al dente. So that's been going. We're gonna get this started over here. I'm gonna melt half a stick of butter, and we're just gonna melt it down and add our I've got some shallot here. I'm gonna add some lemon juice, some salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. That'll be our base as far as our sauce to go with the pilaf here. And then we'll finish our finishing touches with some parsley. Okay, our butter's starting to melt down here, so I'm going to go ahead and add our shallot to it. Get a little salt and pepper in there. Start mixing that in. Like this is just on medium low heat. Alright, to that I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Not too crazy, just a little, and some pinch of sugar. Take it off the heat a little bit. I'm going to give that a test. Great. So that's done. I can just go ahead and turn the heat off on that and let it sit. Our rice is about done. Okay, now that I've turned the heat, I'm just going to add about half of our parsley to the butter mixture. And just let that wilt in the residual heat there. You can smell that once it hits it. Oh, and knock other stuff around while I'm at it. But yeah, just let that sit until our rice finishes. Okay, I went ahead and turned the heat off on my rice. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Okay, it is al dente. So what I do, and I usually do this over the sink, but I'm going to show you here. I've got a strainer, and I strain it, pour it into a strainer, and then to stop the cooking, we pour cold water over top of our rice. Just enough to where it's not steaming hardcore like it was. So once that's done, then I can add that back into my saucepan here. Get rid of this. And now I can add my butter mixture and the rest of my parsley. So there's butter. And the rest of our parsley. So now that we got that, we'll just mix that all and incorporate it. And there you go. That's my herb rice pilaf. Good. Like, subscribe, and be waiting for more. We've got a good recipe coming up this weekend.